Hello everyone and welcome to my first tutorial. This one will be on how to turn cash into nanites using the pirate system to normal system trade route. The first thing you will need is the economy scanner and the conflict scanner from the anomaly. So first things first, head for the anomaly. This gives me the opportunity to mention something if you're in multiplayer. If you're ever planning to use multiplayer, one of the things you want to do is to go into network and make sure that allow PvP is set to no one. This prevents anyone from killing you either on purpose or accidentally, either in the anomaly or elsewhere. Doesn't stop you from killing yourself by shooting yourself in the face. I found that out the hard way. Okay, so you head up to the ramp. And you're looking for the first vendor on the left who sells starship parts. The only two items you're looking for right now are the economy scanner and the conflict scanner. I've already got these, so I don't need to buy them. Everything you need, except for one item, you can either make or everything you need is something you can either make or buy from the space station, except for the walker brain. The walker brain you can get from missions, you can get a friend to give you one, or you can fight 5 waves of sentinels until you kill the final sentinel walker, and you can get a walker brain from that final sentinel walker. Everything you need to craft you can get from this terminal right here. You can get the blueprints here. Once you have the blueprints, you can make all you want. Back to your ship. And out we go. Okay, so I am going to assume that you have those items installed. You've got the parts that you need, you installed them, you've got the walker brain, and you installed them. You go to your galaxy map. You change to free look mode, and then you change your filter to conflict. Now the stars that are red are the ones we're looking for, and what we're looking for is a star that is red and also has a pirate symbol on it, like so. Once we find one, we warp to it. We will repeat this time 15 or 20 times to gather 15 or 20 pirate system space stations. Oh, look, a battle. This gives me the opportunity to show you something else. If you enter a system and there is a battle in progress, you don't actually have to engage the pirates. Immediately turn around, don't engage the pirates, just head straight for the space station. I'll tell you why that's important in a later video. You notice that the color of the entrance on the space station is different here. Pirate space station color, entrance color is different, as is the interior. Okay, so the vendor we're looking for is the one all the way at the back, or if you're coming from the teleporter, it's the one all the way on the left. Contraband agent, or black market shipping and receiving. The only things we're interested in here are the top 3 items, the ones called illegal black market goods. Buy all of those, like so. And then you're looking for suspicious packets, but not the one that says goods. You're looking for the ones that say arms and the ones that say tech. And then if there happen to be any repair kits and you have enough cash to buy them, go ahead and buy those too. They'll come in handy later in the game. You can pretty much ignore anything else. Then you go back out and repeat the process 15 or 20 times. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm just demonstrating the process. Now you go over here to the teleporter. And you would normally want to go to a space station, but there's a problem. Any space station that is not a pirate station, you can't go to from here. You'll notice that they all say clearance not granted. So the way around that is, you choose your bases, and you go there. One of your own bases on a planet somewhere, and you teleport there instead. This is a two-step hop from a pirate system to your base, and then turn right around and use your teleporter to go right back to a normal space station. Normally we would be covering all 15 or 20 pirate systems in a long string so that we have a whole bunch of this stuff to turn in at once. But since I've only done one, we'll do just the one right now. So once I've got home to my home system, go to the space stations, choose one that does not have a pirate symbol on it, like this one right here, and warp to that one. Step one, go over here to the terminal and sell anything that says smuggled contraband. If you've only been to one system, you'll probably only have 2 or 3 of these. But if you've been to a bunch, you might have 8 or 9. Then open up your inventory, and in your exosuit, find the items that you just bought called Suspicious Packets Tech and Suspicious Packets Arms. If you hover over them, you'll have a button that says Open. Use that over and over and over and over and over again until you use it up. You'll notice some of the items that it unpacked look like a cracked screen. This, if you unpack it again, dismantles it into minerals or something else. This, however, unpacks directly into nanites. The rest of these suspicious packs you take across to the other platform, to any vendor, doesn't matter which, and you interact with the vendor, go to the purchase option, and go to sell. And all of the purple ones are the ones that you just converted. I don't want to sell that gold one because it's one that I'm keeping, so I just want to make sure. And you take a look at this, $3.59 right now, so I go sell, 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 sell. From that one space station, I made a little over 12,000 nanites. Actually, I think some of those came from a previous tutorial that I had to delete. So that might be 2 space stations worth of nanites. So, still 2 space stations, about 10 minutes worth of work, 12,000 nanites. Not bad. So that's all there is to it. You guys will see me in the next tutorial.